Every single time she fought for you. She fought for the development of Palamuru. Now what is happening? Now TRS and Congress, they are abusing our Arunamma. They are speaking bad about our Arunamma. They are speaking lies about our Arunamma. Arunamma is a mother. Arunamma is a sister. But including the CM of Telangana, Revanth Reddy Garu, in a public stage, he is abusing Arunamma. Now Revanth Reddy Garu has to understand, abusing Arunamma in Palamuru means abusing every sister and mother of Palamuru. And every sister and mother of Palamuru on May 13th will teach a lesson to Revanth Reddy Garu that abuse of Arunamma will not be tolerated. Abuse of Arunamma will not be accepted. Speaking lies about Arunamma will not be accepted. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದೆ. ಮೇ 13ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಕಸಭಾ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ತಾಯಂದ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ವೋಟ್ ಮೂಲಕ ರೇವಂತ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರವು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಅರುಣಮ್ಮ ಅವರ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರು ಅಬ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವ தாயன்று விடல. இங்க இருக்கக்கூடிய நம்முடைய தாய்மார்களாக இருக்கட்டும் பெண்களாக இருக்கட்டும் நம்முடைய அருணம்மா அவர்களை பழித்து பேசுவதை ஏற்றுக்கொள்ள மாட்டார்கள். மே 13ஆம் தேதி தங்களுடைய வாக்கு மூலமாக உத்தரவு கொடுப்பார். Brothers, I am not able to speak your beautiful Telugu. I feel very guilty standing before you. But I am standing with you in your spirit. All of you are working very hard. There are 30-40 days to make sure Arunamma should win from this place. Such a senior leader of our party, National Vice President, she deserves to win. As a minister, as an MLA, she has fought for the development of Palamuru at different points of time. Now we all know when Modi ji is going to come back to power with more than 400 member of parliament. The voice of Palamuru, Arunamma should be the number one among the 400. That is why my sincere request to all of you, today the campaign will end in the next 4 hours. But our job is not over. We have the full today, we have the full tomorrow before the election ballot box opens, day after tomorrow at 7 a.m. I request all the youth who are here. Last time Arunamma in 2019 election lost by a very thin margin, lost by 70,000 votes. This time it is our duty. Arunamma should win by a minimum of 4 lakh votes. Minimum of 4 lakh votes in Palamuru. And Revanth Reddy Garu, we all know, he speaks only lies. 6 guarantees he gave, not even a single guarantee he is able to do. So 8 times the Chief Minister of Telangana has come to Palamuru to campaign against Arunamma. The CM knows he is losing. Revanth Reddy knows Congress is losing. That is why 8 times he has come, only out of fear of defeat, that Arunamma and all the people who are here and all the Karyakartas, people of Palamuru, they will teach Revanth Reddy Garu a fitting lesson on May 13th. That is why the CM who is afraid is staying only in Palamuru, campaigning here. Brothers and sisters, we all know a Congress MP is not going to do anything extra. A TRS MP cannot do anything. But a BJP MP, Arunamma, is a powerful voice in Telangana. She is going to be a powerful voice of Palamuru. And this powerful voice in the parliament can get anything for Palamuru. She can directly talk to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi garu. She can get anything for us. And if you look at the manifesto which our Amma has given for us, Arunamma ka हामी, Modi ka guarantee.